Okay, and ta-da!
Ta-da!
You can grab show your scissors.
Show my
Yeah,
scissors,
show
everything.
your tape.
Don't cut
Yeah.
out this tree thing.
Tape.
And show your paint.
Paint.
Okay, now cut the paint.
Cut it.
Took your job, boy.
No, I'm giving her this hard cut.
Oh God, these scissors.
There we go. Thanks.
Close and personal.
I cannot work with this.
Keep going. Just okay from the far end where your thumb is. Cut that line. We're gonna pull the thing apart.
Sure.
There you go.
Okay, we did it.
How are the words? Yeah.
This, like, just.
Eel. Yeah, you don't need to. Eel.
Oh God, that was really crooked.
Doing great, guys. One more.
Is it Killy out of this thing?
Well, he's not here. So I don't know. What about you, kid? Okay, and then leave that on the top.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, leave it nicely on the, yeah. Okay, now grab the square to your left.
My left.
Mahele, yeah. Pull that up and cut it. Show it, and then, yeah. Make like you can cut around the edge with your hands.
Oh, wait.
Show that you can cut the outline the square, yeah, with your hands, yeah. There you go, there you go. Now you can cut them. There you go.
I cut through this thing. Come on, scissors, don't.
The tab, she's gonna fold up.
Yeah.
Not fold.
Okay.
She doesn't need it. We don't have a cookie for this one. These are cool, man.
Right. Okay. And then you're gonna hold that card up when you paw.
Yes, sir.
Put it up. Put the scissors down. Point to each of the things.
Which
Point to the
things?
llama.
Llama.
Llama at the top. At the top. With your hand on the card.
Oh.
Llama, a'ali'i, the araking, and the eel. Now grab the pepper that you never cut yet and hold it up so that you can match. See, look. Now hold the card to the thing. Be like, look, it's matching. Okay. Now you can cut out the stuff. Leave the tabs at the bottom, yeah. Those
Okay.
extra rectangles on the bottom. You gotta move up a little bit. There you go. Okay, keep going.
I don't know if I can circle this.
You can cut the eel so that it's not like a whole piece of paper. If that's easier.
Can I use their examples?
No, because you already started with the blue.
No, their papers that's already cut. So I don't have to cut all of it.
Oh, yeah. You want to jump edit, is what you're saying? In the stuff? Okay.
Oh shoot. So you can do all these. Oh, Kelly, don't cut it off. Let me cut the rest. So she can jump edit.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Oh shit.
Her train scissors too.
No, cannot.
Okay,
Thanks a lot, Keone.
Okay, so after that eel is done, then we'll grab the other.
Finished one.
Yeah.
So you can cut it.
No need the eel though. Get rid of the eel in that one.
Okay, what do I do with this picture?
So now you just stay there. Put the paper down because you're still cutting stuff. Yeah. Oh, this can be thrown away. Put it away.
This is only your fish cutting.
Okay, edit all of that to now. Okay, go. And then after you've all cut that, put it
Throw your
down
rubbish
and throw your rubbish to the left. Wow. Palmayalabo o lalawaiana ikiava koloko.
It's okay. It's easier to understand me, Kitty.
Yeah. But hemako kela that's not done. Okay, so all of this is still in the cut. Cut everything before that too. Okay, except for here.
Oh, my blonde is coming out today.
Okay, you got eha kanaka kako ana yaoi.
Yeah, haven't you guys heard them today?
Okay, so when you're done with that, you will put your scissors and that down, and then you slide the rubbish. Scissors down, yeah, that down. Slide rubbish to the left. Awesome. Okay, now put your non-headed card on the side.
The other card to
On the side. Move your things that you just cut next to that. Yeah. Now bring down your Puʻu Waʻawaʻa dry forest. Open up your paint. Watch out this thing. Yeah. And start painting the sky blue. Don't forget to start with water. Dry paint. Okay. Move everything up just a little bit.
Everything up just a little bit.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay, now go for it. Paint the sky blue.
I need some paint on this.
I don't
Okay,
want
go.
too much. Oh, see, look.
That's good.
Yeah, it looks just like it.
You can paint over that
You
square
can paint
too.
over the square.
Tired.
Yeah, okay, keep going. You got a lot to cover. Don't paint the cloud. There. I'm gonna let you get towards the Puʻu Waʻawaʻa name and then we'll swap it out. Hey, Lauren. Okay, now go get
Table.
some water. Okay, now stop. Okay, stop this out. Okay, now you can go ahead and paint.
Does she need this?
Paint the rock just a little bit. There you
Oh,
go.
the rock?
Wait,
Oh, whatever.
does she need
Don't
this?
paint the sky. Paint
No,
something
no,
else.
no,
Okay.
no. Add some.
What color is?
Don't choose a color. Just you have.
I have blue on
Okay,
it.
all of this is edited. Okay, go erase. Water that. Okay. Now make like you're touching one color.
Look like you're touching it.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, now go color. So this is where you're dropping in. You can actually press on the, yeah, there you go. Okay, awesome.
Done?
Done. Okay, and then close up your paint. Put that to the side. Move your Waʻawaʻa up just a little bit. Okay, now grab your little items. There you go. Oh, you also need the stick. The stick. Okay, now start with your tree.
Tree. To stay.
What's the stick?
Now,
Tape.
oh, sorry.
Oh,
You
does she
gotta,
have to
make the
make-
diorama first.
Yeah.
Okay, and then hold up all the other ones too since you started holding up the tree. Okay, inside the trash can there's a stick that needs to be cut out for the moth to go on something. Okay, now grab your diorama. The thing on top, yeah.
There's
Now
none.
your tabs are gonna be folded up
I'm
on
talking
the
about this
dotted
one.
lines.
No, are you talking about that piece of paper that I handed Crown?
Where is
It was like this. No, it was just this.
right here?
I cut it out and I put it. I gave it. Put it over there.
I probably
Oh,
swiped
shit.
it in the rubbish.
Okay. Just cut out one out of,
Hard paper.
yeah, gotta be hard paper. Gotta be this kind of paper.
Okay. Fold
Okay.
the two corners, the two outside flaps in as well. I think.
On the line, sorry.
I was like, what stick?
Is my head inside the camera?
No, you're good. Okay.
And I'll pedal that whole flap forward.
This thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
And then open.
Then open, yeah. Now the tabs should pop up. Open it all the way. And then stand up that side that you just folded open. Stand it up. Pull it up. There you go. And on the bring it on the inside of the tabs.
Oh god, my
There you
nose
go.
is so itchy.
And then tape that. Like that.
Oh god, come on.
You can let go of your right side if you need to.
They're both giving me
Okay. Now pick it up. On the right side, pick it up. And then you can show where you're taping. There you go. Now grab tape and tape the edges.
I feel like a flight attendant.
What do you guys use this for?
Confirmation codes. So like when you're doing flight reservations or you're confirming purchases.
That's the military one.
Mm-hmm. That's what they use for airlines too. You know, you get like a 6-digit code.
15K.
Okay, and tilt it up so you can see. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, now grab your other stuff. And you're gonna pedal. You see where those bottom is? Yeah, you're gonna pedal it forward or back or forward. You gotta,
Forward?
November.
and that's gonna be the Waʻawaʻa that stands it up. And you can place it wherever you want.
I need to lick it?
Yeah.
Can I lick it?
Yeah, so ke only ke telepono wau I nā paʻoehana mopulele or pokele or ka'a, whatever servers that give the confirmation code. Ke kahi manawa ke haʻi nina o lako o what is your confirmation code. Ke haʻi wau ia lako I kela paʻakihi ka lohe ana, right? N and M and D and E. So makahi o ka hoʻopuka wale ana I ka huapala, hoʻopuka wale Nancy. Kilo, Alpha, Delta, Indigo,
You just
Zulu.
chose to do that? You use that?
Yeah, that's a mako that you learn. Ina hana pine pine oi pela, then that's something that you just, I ʻaʻole wau I a'o no pela. I just, over time, it's easier for the agencies to look up the confirmation code if you say it like that. Aka he mea kumau kela I wānoko poʻe mopulele. That's how they use their codes as well.
Yeah, that's how I gotta spell my name.
Yeah, when they ask, so I go Bravo, Echo, Zulu, Indigo, Lima, Lima, Alpha. Vizilla.
I go
Oh, it's like A as in apple.
Yeah.
Alpha. There's Alpha.
But there's the other way too.
There's other ways, yeah. Right there on the lani. You see the lani where the owl is? Try to pick it up.
Yep.
Try to pick it up so you can show them. Point to the square. There you go. Okay. Don't flip them off. I said point them.
Okay, where's my stick thing?
Top left corner. Top left corner. Okay,
How do I do
now
this?
glue it onto that. And tape it onto that. Grab the tape. Grab the tape, yep.
It's too much for my brain.
Turn the moth over. Put the stick on top of it.
I almost said thing.
Yeah, there you go. Tape the back.
Victor, Whiskey, X-ray, Yankee, Zero.
Then pelu the bottom of that square. Yeah. There you go. So you can stand it up somewhere.
India,
Doesn't that go in the level? Or no?
I have no idea where it goes.
November.
You go
This-
put it wherever you want to put it.
Yeah, this thing is all about where you want.
This is like the longest video ever. We're at 16 minutes.
Oh. I thought my video was long.
Yeehaw.
Okay, and then when it's done, you can tilt it up.
See
Or
my,
lower, towards you. There you go.
my forest.
It looks like one of those dioramas.
Awesome.
I know,
Okay, and
but
then
if you
hold
don't
it
know.
still. Grab
Yeah.
the pala on your left. The
Uh,
pala on your left. Yeah, there you go. And hold that up. Perfect. Okay, now put it both on. And then move your hand.
Kilo, Kilo, Echo, Oscar.
Go, sir.